I've been comparing Wireguard and Tailscale throughout 2025, and while both are popular names in the VPN and secure networking space, they serve different purposes. Choosing the right one depends on whether you need raw performance and control or a plug-and-play solution with team-focused features. Wireguard is a lightweight, high-performance VPN protocol known for its speed, simplicity, and modern cryptography. It's incredibly efficient, making it a great option for users who want to set up their own VPN servers with minimal overhead. The connection speeds are fast, and it's open source, so you have full control over configuration and deployment. However, it's more of a do-it-yourself solution. Setting up Wireguard from scratch requires some technical knowledge, and it doesn't include a user interface or network management tools out of the box. Tailscale, on the other hand, is built on top of Wireguard but focuses on ease of use and team collaboration. It turns your devices into a secure mesh network that you can access from anywhere without needing to expose ports or manage firewalls manually. Tailscale handles everything from key exchange to NAT traversal automatically, and the setup process takes minutes. It's great for remote teams, developers, or anyone looking to securely access their private infrastructure without the hassle of traditional VPNs. If you're comfortable with networking and want full control over your VPN, Wireguard is the better choice. But if you want a simpler, more user-friendly experience with modern features like access control, device sharing, and team management, Tailscale is hands down the more convenient option. If this comparison helped you out, give the video a like, share it with someone interested in secure networking tools, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.